The US still continue in votes, thus making markets feel nervous. Investors are not accustomed to such a long period of uncertainty. However, it seems that the result of the election will be announced only in court. The fact is that Donald Trump is trying to stop the counting of votes and start proceedings regarding possible fraud. It also turned out that Joe Biden has a group of lawyers ready to challenge the election results. That's why traders are a bit upset. Moreover, the US dollar's attempts to gain in value all failed. It's most likely that this tendency will take place until the election results are announced. This burning issue has overshadowed all macroeconomic data. Nevertheless, today the US Labor Department will reveal its report. According to analysts, the US labor market is confidently recovering. The unemployment rate is expected to decline to 7.7% from 7.9%. This could happen due to the fact that the US non-farm employment advanced by 600,000. That is quite a good result. At the same time, average hourly earnings may rise by 0.1%. However, on a yearly basis, the indicator may drop. In other words, the US labor market data is really positive. As a rule, such strong figures lead to the US dollar appreciation. However, it's hardly possible amid the presidential election. Thus, the report is unlikely to influence the national currency. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair showed high activity, thus hitting the resistance level at 1.1860. After that, it slowed down and entered the range of 1.1795 and 1860. The pair's fluctuation within the range influenced the accumulation process that resulted in a surge in activity. The price jumped above 1.1865 with the target at 1.1880 and 1900. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair reached the resistance level of 1.3150. After that, it dropped and took a pause. According to the trading chart, the pair is trying to break the lower limit of the range located at 1.3110. If the price fixes below 1.3100, the pair will decline further. Otherwise, it may return to the previous range and even break its upper limit. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.